Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be doing a quick unboxing of the Lexar Thor DDR5-6000 32GB memory kits. These memory kits are rated to run at DDR5-6000 speeds with a low cast latency of 32/38/38, operating on a voltage of 1.3 volts. The memory modules don't come with any RGB, but they do come with a nice black heat spreader with gold trimmings and a triquetra design as seen on Thor's hammer. They're certified for Intel's XMP and AMD's EXPO and should work on all motherboards that support both these standards. It also uses memory chips from SK Hynix, which are known to overclock really well. So let's see how far we can take them in our overclocking tests. Alright, so let's dive straight in, do the quick unboxing, and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the Lexar Thor DDR5-6000 32GB kit. Let's take a look inside the box. Okay, that's one module and another module. Alright, here we have the memory modules, and it comes with a nice matte black heatsink with some nice gold trimmings. And if you look carefully at the corners right here, you can see the triquetra design with you find on the Thor's hammer. Very nice. And no RGB though, so if you want RGB, this is not the modules you want. These memory modules are rated to run at DDR5-6000 with a low cast latency of 32/38/38, operating on a 1.3 volts. These are compatible with both the Intel XMP and AMD EXPO standards, which you'll find that quite rare for memory that supports both standards. So these are very interesting. And on either side, it's the same kind of design as well. These modules uses the SK Hynix memory ICs, which are known to overclock really well. So it'll be interesting to see how far we can overclock these. We'll be testing these modules on an Intel Z790 motherboard and see how they perform. So this was a quick unboxing of the Lexar Thor DDR5-6000 32GB kit.
Not everyone is into RGB, and if you're one of those users who prefer not to have RGB, then the Lexar Thor DDR5-6000 32GB kits could be right for you. For starters, it offers pretty fast speeds of DDR5-6000 with a low cast latency of 32/38/38, the lowest I've seen so far, and low operating voltage of 1.3 volts, which means lower temperatures too. The lack of RGB is compensated with a nice black heatsink with gold trimmings and a triquetra design as seen on Thor's hammer. During our AIDA64 memory tests, the Lexar Thor DDR5-6000 performed decently. With all memory settings on auto and XMP3 enabled, we got memory read speeds of 91,265 MB per second, a write speed of 83,775 MB per second, and a copy speed of 84,547 MB per second. These memory modules uses SK Hynix memory ICs, which are known to overclock really well, and I was amazed to overclock these memory modules to a staggering DDR5-6600. One of the attractive selling points of the Lexar Thor DDR5-6000 is the fact that it's compatible with both the Intel XMP and AMD's EXPO standards, something that you don't see a lot of with the memory manufacturers. If you're after some decent memory kits with no RGB, then take a look at the Lexar Thor DDR5-6000 32GB kits. They offer decent performance, low cast latency and good overclocking ability, plus they're compatible with both Intel XMP and AMD's EXPO standards too. You can check out the full review on our website at Funkykit.com.
And there you have it, that was a quick unboxing of the Lexar Thor DDR5-6000 32GB memory kits. If you want fast DDR5 RAM with no RGB, then take a look at these memory kits from Lexar. They offer good performance and great overclocking ability. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy these via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.